All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an update tour of the Revel X with a locker. All right, so I've had it over a year at least, and figured I'd give you an update on any problems I've had with it, which is one. I've had one problem with it in the course of owning it a year. Minor problem, pain in the butt problem, but a minor problem, and that was the lock mechanism for the lower box was not disengaging the locks. District manager came out here, got it fixed. Kind of sucked, but it wasn't unlocked, but we got it fixed, no damage or anything like that. It just, kind of sucked having, problem. Other than that, it's been awesome. Love it, love it, love it. So let's take a tour of it, see the updates I've done to it, and we'll go from there. All right, so still got my Varus here. I keep this little Matco box up here, various junk in it, batteries for my recording of stuff and stuff like that. Keep my Milwaukee drill with a battery cleaning bit on it. I keep a car charger with a voltage reading up there for testing power ports. Tells me the voltage, so I know if I've got power, it's their device or no power. Milwaukee heat gun up here. Over here I've got hooks for keys. Also kind of hang my Astrolight over here. Charger for my cell phone. Hang my cable for my Varus up here for my dongle. Back there, hanging back there, I've got a AC Delco pigtail for an oil pressure sensor or something like that. We wound up getting two, so we just kept it just in case. Keep my OTC Encore over here. Move that over so you can see. I keep my little quick scanner hanging on that hook, real handy. Of course, the Wall of Fame. Erico, everybody knows him. One Auto, Donner Automotive, Leon, of course Thomas. He's always here. He's always here. Frank M Tech, OzStar, of course an SMA sticker. Up here I keep pens and extra stuff like that. Back here, thing of change, tape measure, air tool oil, battery cleaning, baking soda, eye wash solution with a broken top. I got to get that replaced. Butane, glass cleaner, a knife, a magnetic temperature gauge from Lang. Of course, the Matco sticker emblem. My dongle for my Autel is up here. Autel is right here on this tray. On this, I've got gear wrench, Torx screwdrivers. I don't use them much, but every now and then I use them. I also have a spare vessel impacting screwdriver for rotor screws. If you don't have one of these, get one. They are awesome. I haven't broke one yet. All right, over here I've got ear protection, drill bits, the new Milwaukee drill, graduated cylinder. I keep spare hats up here, torch, tape. Here is some new stuff from OTC that I'm testing out. We'll do a review on them. I actually got a bum unit from them, but they're actually sending me an updated model, so I'm waiting for that to put out the review. So that's why it hasn't happened yet. This drawer is just personal stuff. Nothing really to see there. Paperwork, stuff like that. Of course, the money drawer. Of course, here, sockets, more sockets. Almost all of it is snap-on. Next drawer down is metric wrenches. I've reviewed most of this stuff, so you should be familiar with it. You know, extra old Craftsman's. My old Blackhawk set that wasn't a complete set. These monster flex heads come in really handy. 21, 24, or 21, 22, 24, 25. Next drawer down is all SAE. Not a whole lot here. Extra channel lock, stuff like that. Nothing real major. Some extra hammers. Of course, bearing race installers, pipe cutter, more tape measures, Chrysler dipstick, some old hammers, band style oil filter wrenches, spark plugs, boot cutter, stethoscope. Next drawer down, drill bits, rethreader kit for oil pans, Matco vacuum, brushes, EGR snake bit from SUR and R. Next drawer down, pullers, bolt grip set, snap-on bolt, power steering puller, power steering puller, power steering puller. Those are the bomb. Everything else is kind of a cheap copy. Seal puller from Lyle, Pitman arm puller, battery puller, seal puller. Kind of a mixed bag, hex, some extra extensions, VIM, tools, bit sets, security torques from Snap-on. Five-point security torques. Clutch, alternator clutch pulley tool from OTC. All right, down here is big money. OTC hub grappler kit, love that kit. My ball joint tool, straps, bearing separator, that's Snap-on, grinder, some other pullers. In this drawer, all the leads for my Snap-on Varus, my pressure transducer, fuses for my DVOM that's in my other toolbox. Next drawer down is some tape, light for my Snap-on smoke machine, piercing probes, alligator clips, T-pins, of course seam splitter, Gorilla Glue, Honda AC relays, wires for Volkswagen. We work on a lot of Hondas, so we keep the relays in stock. Some spare relays and fuses. Next drawer down, I've got an extra pair of UV glasses, various O-rings, kind of save your butt kind of stuff down here. A different UV light. If you work on GM, you know what those are. Just some kind of bits and pieces, an older UV light I don't use, my vacuum gauge, an extra mirror, T, another light, or another pair of glasses, extra adapter for my smoke machine. Next drawer down is charging. Obviously I've got my Milwaukee stuff, charging, my Snap-on right here, Also keep my GoPro mount there. My larger flashlights. I don't use them very much anymore, but they're there. All right, bottom drawer is I've got my coolant refiller, my snap-on or Blue Point adapter set for radiators. Of course, the air-powered pressure tester, the Smart Fit from Redline.